Tough job? Tougher conditions. Are you tired and sore from standing on concrete? That's a problem. Here's the fix. The Safe Flex Floor System by Ergo Advantage. It's Class 1 flame resistant, weld safe, and tough enough to take on sparks and hot metals. No more strains, pains, or fatigue with our patented ergonomic support system. Curling, tearing, trip hazards, gone. Extra cords on the floor? We fixed that too. Choose your fit. Open or closed pattern for drainage, or anti-slip where you need it most. One kit, one solution, and it won't break the bank. This is comfort for welding. The Safe Flex Floor System has mats for welders. Use the QR code on your screen to find out more.